Have you ever agreed to make a simple cake for somebody and then they show you a picture of what they'd like with this cute fondant cake topper, and on the outside you're smiling and nodding, but inside it's like pure dread? I have done this more times than I can remember. I have procrastinated as long as humanly possible. I have binge watched YouTube videos. I could never really get the proportions right. Everything, my paste just kept drying and cracking, and I could never get anything to stick and hold together. And what I created resembled anything but cute. I didn't give up, and fast forward to now, I'm creating cake toppers like this little guy. Now he's cute. If you'd like to see how I got to this level super fast, click on the link somewhere on or around the video and it's going to take you to a page where you can sign up for my free online foundations training. We're going to strip it right back to the basics and talk about your two most important materials, the tools, the techniques, the shapes, so the next time you create any cake topper, whether it be an animal or a person, you can apply this method and it is going to make the world of difference. You're going to feel super confident the next time somebody asks you for a cake, and you'll be nodding and smiling with a yes rather than feeling that dread. Cool, I am super excited. Let's do this together. Click the link and I will see you in there.